Hybridization. The phenomenon of mixing up of different orbitals of same energy level of an atom to produce equal number of hybrid orbitals of same energy and identical properties is known as hybridization. A hybrid orbital contains maximum 2 electrons with opposite spin. In hybridization, only those orbitals take part that has very little difference of energy. Hybridization means making something new from an amalgamation or combination of other parts. A hybrid plant is one made from two different plants blended together. The hybrid shows the characteristics of both plants. In terms of chemistry, we refer to the hybridization of atomic orbitals to explain the change that seems to happen between the atomic orbitals in an uncombined atom and the orbitals used by the same atom when bonding. We are familiar with the orbitals in an atom and their different shapes. The s orbital is spherical about the nucleus, and the p orbitals are like double-headed balloons arranged along the axis of imaginary three-dimensional coordinates. However, it is apparent that the shapes of these orbitals are inadequate to explain the orientation of the bonds produced in molecules. The p orbitals are oriented at 90 degrees to one another, and yet there are few molecules that show a bond angle of 90 degrees. In fact, the bond angle 90 degrees does appear in some of the larger molecules, but that is due to different reasons. The classic molecule to consider is Methane Ch4. In this molecule, the bond angles indicate that the shape of the molecule is a perfect tetrahedron with bond angles of 109 degrees, 28 minutes, approximately 109, 5 degrees. It seems that the orbitals used for bonding are arranged as far apart as possible, suggesting that they have the same energy, degenerate. We know that the orbitals on the carbon atom do not have the same energy. The 2s orbital is of lower energy than the 2p orbitals. Hybridization is a model that allows us to combine the atomic orbitals and then produce 4 degenerate orbitals to be used for bonding. In order for the electrons to be ready for this process, one of them must be promoted from the 2s orbital to the 2pz orbital, as in the diagram.